Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to a cold wallet in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, securing your XRP is more crucial than ever to protect it from online threats. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide to move your assets safely offline. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother with a cold wallet? In 2025, as regulations tighten and hacks become more sophisticated, storing your XRP on an offline device like a hardware wallet keeps it out of reach from cybercriminals. Popular options include Ledger or Trezor. Make sure yours is updated to the latest firmware for optimal security. Step 1. Set up your cold wallet. Unbox your device, connect it to your computer, and follow the manufacturer's instructions to create a new wallet. Remember, never share your seed phrase, it's your digital lifeline. Step 2. Generate your XRP wallet address. Once your cold wallet is ready, use its interface to create an XRP-specific address. Double-check that it's correct, as mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Log into your Robinhood account. Open the app or website, go to your portfolio, and select your XRP holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Robinhood might have updated its interface by 2025, so keep an eye on any new prompts. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Enter your cold wallet's XRP address in the withdrawal field. You'll need to specify the amount. Start small for your first try to avoid errors. Robinhood may require two-factor authentication, so have that ready. Step 5. Confirm and wait. Review all details, then hit confirm. Transactions can take minutes to hours, depending on network fees. Once it's done, check your cold wallet to verify the XRP has arrived. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're taking control of your crypto's security. If you run into any issues, always reach out to Robinhood support or your wallet provider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there in the Web3 world.